the fractional nature of Indian love. I burn myself with my anger. The fire surrounds me, and all that saves me is this red skin. It's tricks me into believing there's a war to be fought. White against Indian, Indian against white. Since the war is long over and the Indians lost, I fight against myself, the white half against the Indian half. I bloody my own eye. I cut my own throat. I am nearly dead. In a raspy voice, I ask that you drag the whole of me, half dead, half white, half here, half-hearted Indian, half-heart Indian. Drag me back into bed. The fourth of your Indian holds up my half, and together, nearly whole, we fight against dying. We fight against killing each other, killing ourselves. Maybe together we will live. We just may live a whole life, wholeheartedly, because I love you, my whole heart. This one is called Old Age. I sit beside the woman I want to be, unhindered, understood. I sit beside her and listen to the things she says with her breath. What comes in goes out again. And she is clean. She is so natural, she can hear the trees talk. I look at her hands. They're the hands of her mother, the one who died too soon, loved too much. They are hands that love, hands that fight. I look at her teeth. They have eaten raw meat, eaten hatred and sorrow. They are strong, sharp teeth. I hear her heartbeat. Her heart is the earth of where she lives, where she once died and returned to live again. And this woman that I want to be, she listens to the wind, tells me his secrets, unwinds my hair, unfolds my hands, understands. She understands more than I ever have. The great thing about growing older is that you have friends that you've known for decades. And this is about my friend Colleen. Throwing stones with a friend who has been drinking strawberry pop. September chill is home. Leaves bite the bone, but water surrounds the rocks. We throw them outside the cold, still of afternoon. Colleen is laughing. For her, it is 4 months ago, and strawberries, and New Mexico. We have picked up singing about Ina, about mothers and life, and the truthfulness of tears. Our toes are dug into wet mud, and Colleen, grinning beautifully, lips stained red by the word pop, goes to skip another stone. Thank you.